Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this cute triangular mini pouch using patchwork fabric. I have chosen 4 colorful fabric scraps for this project with measurement 15 by 10 by 10 centimeter. You can use any leftover fabric from your previous projects which can be cut into triangular shape. Here I have kept two fabrics side by side as shown in the video and stitched it and repeated the same for the other two pieces. If you want to make a pouch with bigger size, you can increase the measurements. For this mini pouch, I have used two pieces of lining and two pieces of felt. Instead of felt, you can use canvas, fusing or sponge. The measurement is 20 by 15 by 15 centimeter, which we got after joining two triangular fabrics. We need a zipper for this project, which we are going to attach to the lengthier side, that is side with the 20 centimeter. It is always better to take at least 2 to 3 centimeter more than the actual length. I have attached the main fabric with the felt by stitching all three sides. Now keep the zipper on it facing right side of the fabric. Place the lining on the zipper and stitch it. Flip it so that lining and the main fabric comes to one side and then top stitch on the main fabric. Now keep the second panel on the zipper, turn it and place the lining on another side. Then stitch this together. You can use the beaded pins to secure it before stitching and remove it after stitching. Now turn the lining fabric towards the main fabric and top stitch. Open the zipper and attach the runner to it. Attaching the runner is a bit tricky. This is the easiest method I am following. First we need to insert the zipper into the runner, and for the other side of the zipper give a small cut and then insert. Then pull it. Thus you can easily attach the runner to the zipper. Now bring the main fabric towards one side and the lining fabrics towards another side and secure it with beaded pins. Stitch on three sides, leaving one side open. This is to turn the fabric inside out. Please make sure that you have opened the zipper. After stitching, cut the extra zipper or fabric if you have. Start turning the cloth inside out. Now pull the lining outside and stitch the gap which we left earlier. After stitching, insert the lining back inside. Now our cute, beautiful triangular mini pouch is ready to use. This pouch is perfect for carrying kajal, lipstick or even coins. If you enjoyed this, please like the video and subscribe for more creative handmade ideas and share it with your friends. I will be happy to see your comments. See you in next video with another idea. Thank you for watching.